negative MC connector, MC4 connector, or you can call it a solar panel plug, but the popular name is MC4 connector, also known as solar panel plug. Yeah. So you fix it here, you will hear a click. Push it until you hear a click. I've feel the click even without tightening it. It will be a bit strong, but not strong like when you tighten it because of the click. Look at it. So it's stronger. So when you hear the click, it won't pull out easily. So then this one is the support to support the wire not to be shaking, dangling inside. So once you hear the click, which I've heard, then you now tight the knob. Then get your tools with the plier, then tight. You will tight. You can hear the clicking of it. This will quite everlasting. Draw it. 10 of us cannot pull this out. 10 cannot pull this out. So